Ellen? Okay. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we have learned about that circular motion and its kinematics of circular motion, in which we have already studied the points radius vector, angular velocity, angular acceleration. Today we have discussed about its some basic concepts or some points such like a period, zunga, period. The time taken by particle to complete one revolution is called as period T. Zoom करा, zoom वरती करा. The time taken by particle to complete one revolution is called as period. Period means the particle has to take a time for complete its one revolution. Means time taken by particle to complete one revolution. It is called as period or periodic time. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, समजा मी एखाद्या ग्राउंडवरती उभा आहे आणि मी तिथून आता काय करणार आहे, एक सर्क्युलर ट्रॅकमध्ये रनिंग करणार आहे. जिथे मी उभा आहे तिथून मी असं सर्क्युलर ट्रॅकमध्ये ज्यावेळी रन करणार आहे तेव्हा मी फिरून परत अगेन त्याच पोझिशनला आलो तर मी किती फेरी कंप्लीट केली, एक फेरी, एक रिव्हॉल्युशन कंप्लीट केली. याचा अर्थ एक फेरी पूर्ण करण्यासाठी घेतला गेलेला वेळ म्हणजेच पिरियड. झूम. The time taken by particle to complete one revolution is called as period or periodic time T. It is denoted by capital T. So the formula of the periodic time T is such that periodic time T is equal to total distance covered by the particle, that is a 2 pi r, and taking velocity v. So therefore 2 pi r upon v means r omega. So r get cancelled to one another. So periodic time T is equal to 2 pi by omega. So periodic time T is equal to 2 pi by omega. Here omega is angular velocity. So periodic time T is equal to 2 pi by omega. Periodic time is measured in second. Its SI unit is second. Next concept is that frequency. What is meant by frequency? The number of revolutions performed by particle per unit time. It is called as a frequency. Frequency means what? The number of revolutions performed by particle per unit time is called as frequency, and it is denoted by n. Zoom kara. Frequency means the number of revolutions performed by particle per unit time is called as frequency n. झूमतन मीन्स व्हॉट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज या ठिकाणी आपण एखादा स्ट्रिंग घेतलेली आहे, दोरी घेतलेली आहे, दोरीला एखादा सिंपल बॉब आपण फिक्स केला. तो बॉब मी जस्ट इकडे दाखवा. तो बॉब मी जस्ट या बाजूला राईट हँड साईडला घेतो आणि इथून रिलीज करतो. तर तो काय होणार आहे, इट बिकम्स ऑसिलेट अबाउट इट्स मेन पोझिशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन 10 सेकंड इट ऑसिलेट 10 टाइम्स. सो 10 इज इट्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी. फ्रिक्वेन्सी मीन्स व्हॉट? द नंबर ऑफ revolutions performed by particle per unit time. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, एखादा व्यक्ती समजा रनिंग करतोय सर्क्युलर ट्रॅक मध्ये, तर तो 10 मिनिटांमध्ये किती फेरी कंप्लीट करतोय. ओके, म्हणजे त्याची असणार ती पर्टिक्युलर फ्रिक्वेन्सी, अँड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल n. सो द नंबर ऑफ, झूम करा, द नंबर ऑफ रिव्हॉल्युशन्स परफॉर्म्ड बाय पार्टिकल पर युनिट टाइम इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रिक्वेन्सी. So we know that angular velocity omega is equal to 2 pi n. Omega is equal to 2 pi. So therefore n is a frequency. Frequency is also defined as, it is the reciprocal of period. Frequency is also defined as reciprocal of period. So therefore omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So frequency which is measured in hertz. कशामध्ये मोजतात फ्रिक्वेन्सी? हर्ट्ज मध्ये. RPS, that is revolution per second, RPM, revolution per minute, त्यानंतर CPS, cycle per second, अगेन हर्ट्ज, किलोहर्ट्ज, याच्यामध्ये फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपल्याला मोजली जाते. आपण बऱ्यापैकी ऐकत असतो हॅलो 98.3 टोमॅटो FM. ॲक्च्युली तो 98.3 म्हणजेच काय, त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी हर्ट्ज. नेक्स्ट आहे युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन. व्हॉट इज द युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन? ड्युरिंग सर्क्युलर मोशन, इफ द स्पीड of the particle remains constant. सर्क्युलर मोशन होत असताना समजा पार्टिकलचं स्पीड कसं असेल, कॉन्स्टंट असेल, then it is called uniform circular motion. In short, UCM. In short, UCM. So that is during circular motion. समजा एखादा पार्टिकल आहे जो सर्क्युलर मोशन परफॉर्म करतोय, लाईक अ फॅन करते, फॅनवरती जरा फोकस करा, लाईक अ फॅन, इकडे लक्ष. ड्युरिंग सर्क्युलर मोशन if the speed of the particle remains constant, मग सर्क्युलर मोशन परफॉर्म करत असताना समजा त्या पार्टिकलचं स्पीड कसं असेल, कॉन्स्टंट असेल, तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं, then it is called as uniform circular motion. For example, fan is constantly moving with a particular speed. जोपर्यंत आपण त्याचं स्पीड वाढवत नाही किंवा कमी करत नाही, त्याचं असणारं जे स्पीड आहे ते कसं असणार आहे, सेम असणार आहे. So it is a uniform circular motion. The moon revolving around the earth, it is also a uniform circular motion. The second hand of a clock, the minute hand of a clock, which is also moving in a uniform circular motion. Next, non-uniform circular motion. Zoom करेंगे. Non-uniform circular motion. During circular motion, if the speed of particle is variable, then it is said to be non-uniform circular motion. Suppose whenever a particle performing circular motion, but it is moving with different speed, variable speed, then it is said to be non-uniform circular motion. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, non-uniform circular motion. Okay. For example, whenever we are increasing the speed of the fan, it gets more accelerated. Whenever it speed comes down, then again it is deaccelerated, so speed will be decreasing manner. Next here point is that dynamics of circular motion. Some dynamics of circular motion, that they are CPF, or another is that CFF. CPF means centripetal force and CFF means centrifugal force. What are the centripetal force? These are the dynamics of circular motion. Zoom kara. Dynamics of circular motion. First is that centripetal force. What is the centripetal force? The force which is acting along the radius and direct towards the center of the circle, it is called as centripetal force. I want to zoom kara here. The force, zoom kara. इकडे सरका थोडंसं झूम करा. The force which is acting along the radius and directed towards the center of the circle is called as centripetal force. असा फोर्स तो कसा आहे, which is acting along the radius. जो फोर्स त्या असणाऱ्या सर्क्युलर मोशन परफॉर्म करणाऱ्या पार्टिकलची जी काय रेडियस तयार होणार त्याच्या सेंटरशी, त्याच्याशी अलॉंग असणार आहे, डायरेक्ट टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. पिटल मीन्स seeking means towards the center. For example, समजा एखादा पार्टिकल आहे जो काय करतोय, सर्क्युलर मोशन परफॉर्म करतोय इन एन अँटी क्लॉकवाइज सेन्स. पार्टिकल परफॉर्मिंग सर्क्युलर मोशन इन अँटी क्लॉकवाइज सेन्स, let O be its center and A be its position. Whenever it moves in a circular path with constant speed, such that its force F bar, which is acting along the radius but direct towards the center of the circle, so it is called as a centripetal force. In magnitude, generally in magnitude, we can return as centripetal force. We know that F is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to mass into acceleration. Here again F is equal to here is centripetal force. F is equal to m as it is acceleration, r omega square. So its formula becomes mr omega square. Again m as it is. What is the value of acceleration? A is nothing but v square upon r. So again its formula becomes mv square upon r. Again m constant as it is. What is the acceleration? A is equal to v omega. So formula becomes mr omega square mv square upon r mv omega. This is the formula of centripetal force. Okay. Many more examples of centripetal force are here. The negatively charged electron, which is revolving around the positively charged nucleus, the necessary centripetal force. The necessary centripetal force is provided by negative charge electron and positive charge proton. That is electrostatic force. It is provided by electrostatic force of attraction between negative charge electron and positively charged proton. So there are centripetal force, that is electrostatic force of attraction. Another example is that the earth is revolving around the sun. The earth is revolving around the sun. There are also centripetal force, and this centripetal force is provided by gravitational force of attraction between earth and the sun. So there are centripetal force. Another example is that a car whenever moving on a horizontal curved road, the necessary centripetal force of between tire of the car and road surface is provided by frictional force. जो काय सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स आहे तो कोण प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहे, तर त्या गाडीची असणारी टायर आणि त्याच्यामध्ये असणारा जो रोड सरफेस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये असणारा सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स त्याला नेसेसरी हॉरिझॉन्टल कर्व प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहे. सो दिस इज अ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स इज अ रियल फोर्स. Centripetal force is a real force which is in a inertial frame of reference. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय, आधारभूत संदर्भ चौकट जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जे फोर्सेस असतात त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो ऍक्च्युली रियल फोर्स. सो इट इज अ centripetal force. Centripetal force which is a real force, which is an inertial frame of reference. It has some basic characteristics. Here again dynamics of circular motion is that centrifugal force. What are the centrifugal force? The same as it is as of a centripetal force, but here direction opposite. So look it here. The force which is acting along the radius and directed away from the center of the circle is called as a centrifugal force. What? The force which is acting along the radius and directed away from the center of circle, away from the center of circle is called as a centrifugal force. Centripetal force means the force which is acting along the radius directed towards the center of circle, and centrifugal means the force which is acting along the radius but directed away from the center of circle. So this is called as a centrifugal force. त्याचं अतिशय सोपं असं उदाहरण आहे. घरामध्ये तुम्ही जर पाहिलं तर एका डिचकीमध्ये ताक दही वगैरे ते एका रवीच्या साहाय्याने काय केलं जातं, घुसळलं जातं. ते कसल्या प्रकारचं फोर्स आहे, सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स आहे. त्या सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्समुळे काय होऊ शकतं, जे लायटर पार्टिकल्स आहेत ते आर कम अप्पर सरफेस अँड जे हेवियर पार्टिकल्स आहेत ते आर कम डाऊन. सो ते आपल्याला काय मिळत असतं, लोणी वगैरे मिळत असतं. तर हे सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स आहे. द अर्थ इज रिव्हॉल्विंग अराउंड दिस सन. So there are also acting centrifugal force. Due to centrifugal force, the earth is bulging at the middle and flattening at the poles. Many more examples of centrifugal force are here. For example, in a merry-go-round, whenever a merry-go-round will be revolving such that you feel like some force which is extract away from its axis of rotation. So it is an experienced force. So it is a non-real force. In a bus, whenever passengers are moving in a bus, when passengers are sitting in a bus and bus is moving, whenever the driver takes suddenly left turn, the passenger experiences right shift. Whenever the driver takes right turn, the passenger shifts towards the left. So this is a non-real force. It is only experienced force. So this is a centrifugal force. Many more examples. ज्यावेळी आपण एखाद्या लिफ्ट मध्ये बसतो, लिफ्ट ज्यावेळी समजा वरून खाली येत असते तेव्हा आपल्याला सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्सची जाणीव होऊ शकते. किंवा जेव्हा आपण लिफ्ट मध्ये बसतो ती वरून खालून वरती जात असेल तेव्हा सुद्धा आपण काय एक्सपिरियन्स करू शकतो, सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स एक्सपिरियन्स करू शकतो. So centrifugal force means the force which is acting along the radius and directed away from the center of the circle. It is called as a centrifugal force. In magnitude, it is also denoted by mr omega square. M square upon r is equal to mv omega. Okay. Again, आपण आता काय काय शिकलो? What are the points are discussed here? So again, look at here. First one is that period. Period means zoom करा. the time taken by a particle to complete one revolution is called as period, and it is denoted by t. So period t is equal to total distance traveled by the particle, that is circumference of the circle 2 pi r, and velocity v, काळ बरोबर अंतर भागिले वेग. So r v means r omega, r cancel, so it means that 2 pi by omega, which is measured in second. Next, zoom kar. Frequency means the number of revolutions performed by particle per unit time is called as frequency. It is denoted by K. Okay. Next, so what is its SI unit? Its SI unit is hertz, CPS, RPS, RPM, kilohertz. Frequency याचा फॉर्म्युला आपण काय लिहू शकतो? Frequency n is equal to reciprocal of periodic time. So 1 upon t means 2 pi by omega. So again omega upon 2 pi. That is a frequency. Next, also we know that angular velocity omega is equal to angle theta means 2 pi into its revolutions. So 2 pi n, so 2 pi by t. Here n means reciprocal of periodic time. So again it can be written as 2 pi by t. Next point here we are discussed about uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? During circular motion, if the body or of the particle is remains same, speed of the particle is remains same, it is said to be uniform circular motion. It is UCM. Next we have discussed about non-uniform circular motion. During circular motion, if the speed of the particle is variable, then it is said to be non-uniform circular motion. Next we have discussed about, as per new syllabus, dynamics of circular motion. Here two dynamics are given in our chapter. First one is the centripetal force and the second one is the centrifugal force. Zoom it. Centripetal force, that is CPF. What is meant by centripetal force? The force which is acting along the radius and directed towards the center of the circle is called as the centripetal force. In magnitude, centripetal force means mr omega square, mv square upon r, and mv omega. Next one is that centrifugal force, the force which is acting along the radius but directed away from the center of circle, then it is called to be a centrifugal force. Okay. So again in magnitude we can written as F is equal to mr omega square, mv square upon r, and again mv omega. So this is the dynamics of circular motion, that is centripetal force and centrifugal force. Okay. जर तुम्हाला काय काम आहे ते तुम्ही सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स आणि सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्सची एक दोन एक्झाम्पल सर्च करायचे आणि ते आम्हाला सांगायचे. ओके, धन्यवाद.